All right, so we came down here to Lake Park Sea Dock today to check onto the Sahlen's 996 GT3 RS today. Wow, look at this thing.
It looks good, doesn't it?
What's up?
Already. Not even done.
It's really coming along well. I mean, look at this thing. The color's starting to go on the car. Got the ketchup on the top. The yellow is going to be going on the mustard later. Car had this just such a recognizable black, red, yellow highlights. You can't miss this car out there. John Brenner, what are you up to, baby?
Oh, not much, man. How are you? Good. Just, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Yeah.
How's the dog?
Yep. Good. Yeah.
Yep. The motor. I got that trans rack here.
Oh, no.
Yeah, good. Look at this rack.
Maybe.
Thomas, so you've been around these things for like 30 years, right? And how do you just because you know these shapes so well, you know where the color stops because there might be like a body seam there or something that makes sense.
Yeah.
To get
Like
the
this
color.
one, I knew there's a yellow stripe that goes across.
Yeah.
So we just seamed it there, and then the yellow will cover the seam from red to black.
Yeah. And how do you roll the black one so like paint like? It's just unbelievable. Just heat, a little bit of
Heat and stretch.
yeah.
It looks fantastic. Coming out good.
Yeah.
Oh man, this car is amazing. This project's amazing. I mean, I've never been to anything like this extent, but I'm so proud to be a part of this team and be here for this. And I am a master detailer, so I make sure this thing will be brand new inside and out, everything. And as of right now, I'm even cleaning all the little dirty clamps to go back onto all the new hoses that are going onto the car because we're using the same clamps because they were good, but I'm cleaning them, scrubbing them, getting everything. I have to get everything clean. Every nut and bolt on this car has to be brand new clean for it to go on the track. And that's what I'm here to do. I work with a very adamant and very OCD team, and it works real great because I'm OCD too. So I'm just here doing what I love to do. I'm with my family. I love these people. I love it here. This is amazing, and it's just a great day in paradise, and can't wait to see this car at Daytona.